Welcome back to Dadpreneur 2.0 channel. Introducing a new topic in this channel called Book of the Month, which will be an explain about a book on a monthly basis. This month I will be talking about the one that impressed me very much. By the way, this is not a promotional video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe this channel. First thing first, before I start, I wanted to provide my tribute to the gentlemen who are the authors of this book. Gene Kim, Jez Humble, Patrick Du Bois, John Willis, and Nicole Forsgren. Every organization aspiring for digital transformation must read this book in this fashion, and you will fall in love with this book. The author talks about 3 only ways for an organizational digital transformation. 1. Flow. 2. Feedback. 3. Continual learning and experimentation. First way, the principles and technical practices of flow. In this he talks about need for setting up a deployment pipeline, importance of setting up a fast and reliable automated testing process flow, continuous integration/continuous deployment, need for architecting, automating and enabling low-risk releases. To complement the above topics, lot of case studies are provided after every topics. Second way, the principles and technical practices of feedback. In this he talks about create and analyze telemetry, hypothesis-driven development and A/B testing, introduce review and coordination process. To complement the above topics, lot of case studies are provided after every topics. Third way, the principles and technical practices of continual learning and experimentation. In this he talks about enable learning, local discoveries into global improvements, create organizational learning and improvement. To complement the above topics, lot of case studies are provided after every topics. In addition to these 3 ways, the authors also talks about value stream selection in organization design and architecture, understanding and institutionalization of the value stream, design and architecture of the organization, integrating the operations into development. And as part of information security, change management and compliance. The authors talk about security testing, shift security testing to left, protecting the deployment pipeline from vulnerabilities. Without much wait, here you go, the name of the book called The Devops Handbook. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Follow us on these social media channels.